In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-page form on Wix Studio. This comprehensive tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can seamlessly navigate the Wix platform to achieve your goals. To begin, you'll need to head over to Wix Studio's official website. Wix Studio is an excellent platform tailored for agencies and enterprises, providing a robust suite of tools for website creation and management. Once there, the next thing you'll want to do is log into your account. If you're not already logged in, look for the login button on the top right corner of the page and click on it. After clicking login, you'll be provided with several options to continue. To make the login process smoother, opt for continue with Google. This choice not only saves time but also helps in syncing your projects easily if you're already using Google services. Now, with successful access to your Wix Studio account, locate the plus icon in the editor interface. Clicking this icon is your gateway to adding new elements and enhancing your site. In the menu that pops up, scroll down and look for the option labelled Contact and Forms. This section houses the tools you'll need to create and manage forms effectively. Within the Contact and Forms category, you'll see an option to add existing form. This is particularly useful if you've previously created a form that you'd like to incorporate into your new multi-page design. Select Add Existing Form, and a list will appear showcasing your available forms. Browse through the list and select the form that you wish to edit or duplicate. Sometimes you might want to reuse a form that has been tried and tested, and this feature simplifies the process for you by allowing seamless selection. Once you've clicked on the desired form, you'll notice three vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options icon. Clicking these three dots will reveal additional options for managing your form. From the drop-down menu, choose Duplicate. This action creates a copy of your existing form, enabling you to edit and configure it according to your new project requirements without affecting the original form. This ability to duplicate forms is invaluable, especially when you're working on multi-page setups, as it ensures consistency across your site while saving you from having to recreate elements from scratch. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating a multi-page form on Wix Studio. Take your time to explore further customizations Wix offers, ensuring your forms are perfectly tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your website development journey.